Mtandeni SK akope khona umlando ukukhulisa le ndawo esemthethweni ayenze ibe lento eyiyona enze noma ngabe ubani afise ukusondela lapha ngisho uhulumeni siyabonga ukusondela kwakhe nomasipala sibonga kakhulu ukuqokanala ukusondela kwakhe sibonga kakhulu kubo bonke abaxhasi njengoba amathole federal nabanye ukuthi basondele kodwa kubalekile njengamanje ngaphambi kokuthi ngibize igqokama elisha Mthandeni SK njengopresident wamabhinqa odokotwe isilo samabandla wonke ngithi njengamanje ngicela ukubiza insizwa eqhamuka e-United States of America zizo-embrace lo mcimbi ezizonikeza nje isibusiso. Can you give them the huge round of applause? Round of applause. Can you give them? Come forward, come forward, come forward.
This is a great honor. This is a special moment for me and my friend all the way from Nashville, Tennessee. We want to thank the king of Umaskandi. This is a special moment for us, and we are very grateful and privileged to be here. So I'm going to let my friend just say a few words and show his gratefulness.
Hey, it's good being here with all the Zulus. That right there is my best friend. It's good to be from, today I got the honor and the privilege to meet the king. I came all the way from the United States of America to be with the king of Wisconsin.
Thank you. Song of the year, back to back, the Paris Song of the year, yeah, Winnie Bush Song of the year. Put the same as I want to make them here. Quand nous sommes tous les temps, Jamanje, Nicolas Ogomudu, Apollo Missy Santa, Nabonga Matu, Bedungale, Nicosia Mascandi, Mtandeni, as a big